Listen, if you've been under a rock and you have no idea what AI, it stands for artificial intelligence, and it is absolutely the rave in my business and across the world. I'm going to talk to you about some amazing use cases that travel professionals can use to help streamline the way that they operate and market their travel business. AI is simply consider it a smart assistant, not someone that you should fear or worry about taking over what we do as travel advisors. AI is simply a tool to help you do common activities inside of your business and even help automate some of those activities that you don't like doing. So let's talk about some of the things that you can do as a travel professional using AI. The first thing is that you can use AI tools like ChatGPT/OpenAI or other AI tools like Brand. I believe Google's got a new one, Microsoft's got one, and then there's also a tool that's specific for travel advisors called Voyager AI. I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end. Reply yes to learn more.